go up here now, and we want some angle dimensions. 45, hit escape, that's fine. Hit enter again. Let's get check some other dimensions. You don't have to leave the dimensions on it. We just want to throw the dimensions on it to make sure that we've got these correct. That's 25, that's grand. Hit return again. Let's get the full width there maybe. I'm a tiny bit off there, but I'm not off. I just didn't snap it into the line, but I know that, look, that's probably fairly spot on there. Let's have a look at the radiuses of these curves up here maybe. Let's go in for radius. Select the radius there. Right, it's not giving us the radius because they're isocircles, no worries. Yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty good. If I go and check a couple of others. I mean, I'm confident in my drawing. Are you confident in yours? If you are, that's fine. But everyone makes mistakes. So it's always good to go in and check. 15 by 5. And just check the height of this then. It should be 10. It is 10. Yeah, I think I'm pretty good there. Let me see. What about the overall height? I throw things, so I might need to throw out a couple of lines on this. Actually, I need to go into 2D for that. Throwing a couple of lines maybe just to get some heights. Go to dimensions, snap it in there. If I have ortho on, should be able to snap it in there and bring it across. Right, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to go in and triple check it now because I do have one that I did earlier here. Go up here, have it in red, so I'm just going to select that, copy it, bring it in here, Control V to paste. Now I need to paste it over here first, and then go in and move it because I need to select my base point. So I select that, hit enter, then I select my base point, which is going to be the very start point I had. Turn ortho off, F8, bring me over here. Let's get it right in there into the bottom point. Well, snap it in there. Whoa, found a mistake. Look at that. Found a mistake. That must have been all that carry on I was down on up here that I swear I saw that. Now look at that. How the hell did that happen? I better go in and check that again. Okay, so I've gone back to, I was trying to check over this isometric drawing that I did, and I found from a previous correct version I did that there was a mistake. Alright, so I can see it's this little spurious little line coming out here. It looks like wherever that came from, I mustn't have deleted it at some stage or something, and then what happened is I think when I was drawing my isocircle it clicked into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that and delete it, select that and delete it. I'm going to delete my one that is correct for now. Delete that. Need to delete this. Delete that. Okay, this is what I want because I know that this is correct. Okay, so now that was 15 mil there, so I'm going to just going to draw back in. Let me see what I don't really need. All I need to do is try and put in the isometric, the isocircle here. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm in on the home tab in the drawing group. I'm going to select. I'm going to select my isocircle, or sorry, my ellipse. So axis end. come down here, it says specify the center. That is the center point. Then it says, oh, do you know what, I need to be in ISO draft. So again, come up, select axis end, select ISO circle, select center point. Then it says type in, I think this is the problem the last time I snapped it up to a line I had, that might have been the cause of it. But if I snap it out there, it should work. So I'm going to snap out there. I'm also going to, it says specify radius. I'm going to type in the radius, which is 15, and hit enter. Right. What I need to do is I need to copy this now as well. So I'm going to copy, select that, left click. Now I need to find a point, so I'm going to snap it into the end of that line there. I'm going to snap it out to this one. Hit enter. Okay, and now what I need to do, of course, I'm after losing my some of my lines at the front there, so I need to go and draw a couple of lines here. Snap that there, come up, turn ortho on, F8. And what I'm looking at, I have 10 and 10 is 20, and that should be 45 for you, so I'm going to type in 25, hit enter. I'm going to come across to F5 to toggle, and I'm going to come across my 15 and hit enter, and F5 to toggle again, come down and snap it onto that and hit enter. Grand, so that's just so I get this point up here. So let me see, so if I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to copy this here, left click, snap it into the end there, and then I want to bring it up to the end of the quadrant there. So select that to that tangent point. And I'm going to delete this, delete this, delete this, and then I'm going to go in and select the trim tool, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim that, and trim that, and hit enter. So I'm going to go in and select me other bits again, and right, so I'll go into this one I had done previously then. Grand, so I just want to select this and this part, the top section. So I'm going to select that and go copy. Come back in here and Control V to paste it in. Again, I'll have to paste it over here first. Just before I move it into place. And then I want to go move. Hit enter. I want to get a snap point. I'm going to choose the bottom of that there. Turn ortho off, F8. Zoom in here. Snap it in. Oh, I haven't got the correct grab point there. Marvelous. Doesn't matter. I'll stick it in there and then I'll move it again. So select move. Select the ones I want to move. Snap point there. Snap it over there. And again, enter to move. Enter. Snap it there, over to there. And now we can see that I have sorted out my mistake. But we have to check, double check, triple check. I mean, if this was actually going into manufacturing, then you'd need some other people, more than one person, to check it. Great, so hopefully that helps. Thanks.